the menu, but this is Teardown, and there was a little thing where a vehicle just drove by that I came out of, but this is Teardown. This is a game that I've been waiting for a while, and it's been out on consoles for a month, but I haven't been around. Haven't gotten around to getting it until now. So here we are. Game looks really nice, by the way. The lighting is very good. What is the? Hold on. Weird thing is you can't use the stick on the menus, which is very strange. Don't really get. Actually, maybe 110. That looks better. Okay, yeah. Let's lower this shit. Oh wait. Can you do that in this? I guess some can do that. These all seem good. Oh, way better. Okay. So I have seen someone play this before. Wait, hold on. Left trigger? Okay. Left trigger. Weird, but okay. Bax is in the way. Oh yeah, there's actual, like, weight. This thing doesn't go. I've already broken something. Sick. Ah, look at this stanky looking place. I got a spray can. Fire extinguisher, and of course, a hammer. Which, oh damn. Break my own windows with it. Oh shit! Oh whatever, I was gonna try to drop the damn thing down. Wait, I don't need to go out the door, do I? Oh no, I can't go out the window because there's damn shit on the edges. I'm a bit tired, but kind of messing around since I just got the game. Like I said, I've seen gameplay. I kind of know what's going on, but get this shit out my way. Boom. And the place has power. Bro. Interesting. Well, here's your damn mother telling you no money. And apparently, she saw this. I'm too tired to read, so you do that. So this man telling you to break this house right here. He's gonna build a mall there. Or a new wing for the mall. You know what I meant. Here's the first mission. Me to break this place. I will do exactly that. Okay. Build's too tall. It's taking too much space. Boom. Okay. Oh shit. Can't you like throw? You sure can. Okay. Yep. Throw these things. Oh yeah, it literally tells you. Yup. This is gameplay. Oh, how do I anything on fire? Probably. That's a spray can. I think there's probably a fire. Hold on. Oh, there's not a fire, just lamps on the damn ground. What the hell? Oh, okay, so I can't press the button again. Boom! Beat the shit out of this place. Can't break the bricks though, but there's... Oh, okay, I need to figure out how to do this. The controls how I want them to be, or are they goofy? Oh, they're goofy. Yep. These vehicle controls in games that always kind of annoy me, yet they make sense. I just don't like them. Okay, I may be stuck. Hold on. Oh shit, knock down that tree. Whatever, who needs that? Who needs trees anyway? I continue to ram through it. Oh, hold on. This fucking thing's getting stuck, hold on. Everything is fine. This game kind of operates under strange... Yeah, gravity works a bit weird in this. You kind of need to break everything for it to fall. Hold on, let me ram into this. Hold on. How do I lift? How do I lift that? Oh, wait. Oh, well, that didn't work very well. Hold on. Oh, shit. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I got this, I got this, I got this. I just broke that. No light anymore. Okay, no one needs that anyway. Drive this damn thing out of here. How is it still standing? Oh, there it goes. The hammer swings fast, man. Did I do it? No, almost, almost. Get rid of everything that's in the way. Is this shit still... No, I refuse. And it's still too high. Hold on. Man can really swing a hammer. Fuck that light. Why is it still too tall? They just break the damn roof if it's too tall. I did the thing. I'm at bunny hopping like this is a Source game. Alright. Here's the first mission that I took a long time on because I'm having fun. As you do with video games. Fuck you! Hmm. Yeah. I wonder who did that. Hmm. Hmm. Well, isn't this a bit of a predicament? Must have caught this empty van with an invisible man in it. Now taking orders for this cop lady. Investigating this rich man. Because he's committing crimes. Ah, yes. To borrow them. I can do that. Yes. Okay. I have to steal shit. I mean, sorry, borrow things. from this main. Do I even want to record this? I don't know if I do. I kind of just want to play this game. Ah, man. I might not. But I'm already going? But, like... I kind of just want to enjoy the game. No, it's okay. I can keep going. What's the whole... Can I not look at, like... Is there not... Yeah, this is a thing you can do here. So, there's apparently a fire alarm, so don't let that happen. So I have to get everything that's in these yellow circles here. That's where everything I have to get... excuse me, is... Wait, where's the third one? Oh, all the way over there. Okay. I don't know if I had to take him back or not. This may prove useful. Hold on. Hold on now. Hold on. Let's lift this thing up so it doesn't break everything. It's very slow, but it's fine. I don't need to use this to break into here, but I feel like I want to. That didn't work. And it's in the water. I'm so good at driving. Everyone knows that that is clearly a fact. Bro. Fuck out my way. Where we got the second one at? Right there, I can get into there. Just walk through the door. No, I can't walk through the door. Bricks. Ah, yeah, can't get through that unless I drove another vehicle poorly through it. I don't really want to attempt to do. Can I get from up there? How would I even get up there? Can I... Hold on a sec. I got this. Wait, there's stairs right here, damn. Why did I try and... Why is my first instinct to climb on things? Okay, now I can get into there from here, yeah? Of course I can. Fuck your chairs. Next way. Don't need that door, do you? It isn't here, right? Yeah. Wait, did I just walk past it? No, it's right here. Yoink. And... Wait, hold on now. Just take that. Just take that. Big ass building over there. Hold on, is there more shit I can yoink? Good. Oh, oh. That works. That's some fall damage. This building, yeah, big one. One I just went into. Just upstairs, right? Oh wait, yeah, I know I said I'm not gonna drive these damn things, but I kinda have to. Because if I can climb on it. Fuck. There's still glass there. Hold on. I may be bad at video games, but okay. This may not be enough. Okay, maybe breaking the floor doesn't help me either. Hold on. Hold on. I know what I'm doing. I know precisely what I'm doing. Beautiful. Okay, now lower it a bit. Hold on. Go back. Go back in. Go back in. But lower it. Beautiful. And now I can do that and it will totally work. Game is about creativity. Fucking damn it. Bro. What? How did I jump to the other side of it? What is this game's movement? Hold on. Hold on. I know what I'm doing. Yeah. There we go. That took me long enough. Other things I can steal for no reason? Probably not. Yeah. No, there's got to be something. Just turn off their generator. You don't need that, right? Can I like open? Hold on. Where are these damn boxes? Empty boxes. No, I don't care that my mission's done. Why does the game think I give a damn? No, there's no way to do that. Okay. Hold on. Okay, where am I going? Okay. It's the madman with a hammer. That was a bit of an easy one. Being that it's kind of the first real mission of the game. I don't even like these paintings. Why do I even have these shits hung up? Get rid of this. Does this always show what happened? You know what? I don't care. Moving on. More things. This lady's saying for me to do, because if I don't, then... They refer to as BT and no further details. Ladies worked exclusively with a client recently. Okay. I read that out of order. Really don't have to bother you with one more favor. Really have to bother you. Where did I add the word don't into there? This is why I didn't read it out loud before. I'm too damn... too tired for this. It's their employee login devices. Why is this so... shitty? This CCTV quality. And it's clearly someone holding like a phone or something. Because of the... Okay, just grab the thing, and they apparently have security systems. Some kind of security system. Same place as before, but with a mission that is different. Okay, now see, this is something that's going to be later on, and I know that because, like I told you, I watched things. Because the login devices they are protected by an alarm system. Security arrives 60 seconds after the alarm is triggered. Make sure to plan ahead. Exactly. So I have to plan stuff out to where I'll be able to get everything in the time that I'm given. Now, do I have optional objectives here? No, just the required ones. Some missions will have optional objectives. Now, I don't remember most of these. I haven't seen it in a long time. Where should I start? I feel like I should end off with this one, right? Since it's... Or is there a window that I can get through there? That is just solid brick. Okay, so maybe not. But then I can run along this and maybe jump to the roof and break in there, and then... Okay, well, we'll see if I can even get to those places. That's really the most important thing. Okay, then. Can I just hop the gate? Am I making things too difficult for myself? Can I just... Hold on now. There's some other random ass vehicle out here for no reason. Or I guess I can climb... Can I get in from this? Can I stand on a tree? Oh wait, I can actually get in from a tree. Wait, that's kind of stupid. Can I get out through the gate though? Nah, that's still... Something over here though. This dumpster I could probably get out with, right? Yeah, I can get out with a dumpster. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, see, this is where the game starts to actually be a game. Where's the first one? My brain's too bad. It's this, yeah, it's the connected building here. It's in this area, so I'd have to yoink it. Right? I'd have to yoink that. Can like, oh yeah, I can quick save too. Hold on. Yeah, wait, maybe I can... Yeah, break this window here and then land on top of... Does this even... Yeah, no, it does help me, because then I can jump over here, right? And then go into this building. Or I'll go onto here first, but... Fucking... You don't need this door, right? Why is that the thing I've been saying about everything? Not creative when I'm tired. I could break this window so I can get in through there. And just jump through the window instead. Which may be more beneficial. So then there's this one. And the third one is all the way over there. Okay, I guess I can I, well, okay. Okay, so I have to start... Can I go back from here? Is what I'm wondering. Can I go back from here? Actually, no. Can I? Poos! Probably. Okay, the answer is probably. Hold on. I need to find a definitive answer to that. Especially if I fuck up the jump. Like, that has to be rough. Hoot! Okay. The jump can indeed be made, and I'm gonna have to quick save before that so I can actually make that jump consistent. What is this? Okay. That's how I'm gonna get over there, clearly. Maybe I should go... Okay, yeah. Fuck you! Let me see what's going on in the other building. Which, of course, has to be this one. All the way the hell over here! Wait, can I reach that one from there? Doesn't look like it. Or does it? Maybe. Shit. Okay, no, because I could go from this way to over there. Probably pretty easily. Because I have to run on these pipes here. These big things. Which connect to this. They connect all the way over to this over here. Why am I trying to open that like I think that actually... Okay, hold on now. Now hold on now, hold on now, hold on now, now hold on now, now hold on now, now hold on now. Now hold on. Now hold on. I think we're good. The worst way of getting in here, but it is one of the ways I could have went in here. Okay. So big things, yeah? Are they directly connected, are they? Yes. Okay, no, so I can just jump all the way onto that. Or just onto the roof, I think. I might be able to just get on the roof. Just get rid of this window. Who needs this damn thing? Quick save, because this is where I'm gonna start. Okay, yeah, I can make that. So then I'll run across... I have to test if I can actually do these things. There's the roof does break. Good to know, good to know, good to know. Okay, then jump across here. Where is it? Okay, yeah, no, we're good, we're good. Yeah! Oh, I'm kind of smart sometimes when I want to be. So I then run in here, yoink this thing, and then... what am I doing? I know what I'm doing. Run across this thing here. Whoop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop-a-doop. Swoop! Whoop! And run along. Grab the thing, and then run out the window. Run onto the dumpster over there, and get out. Okay. Yeah, I think I can do that in 60. So let's load that save, which I can't do with the stick, which is still kind of annoying. How long is the stream can go in? 24? Okay. Already forgot what I was doing, but it's okay, because I'll be fine. Yeah, get onto that. Okay, no, yeah, get on that roof, right? Why can't I turn this? Can I rotate this? No, this camera just sucks ass. Okay. Yeah, run along there, run along there. Bomb, boom, bomb. Wait, where are the holes? Oh, because I didn't make the fucking... Oh, I have to make the holes again. I have to make the holes again. Okay, well, I kind of ruined that one. It's fine. I just wasted, like, a few minutes. Where am I going? Dude, I'm so tired. Poos! Boo! And then, am I directly? Okay, it's right here. Oop! Don't fall in, don't fall in, don't fall in. Because I know I can actually do it this time. I don't need to drop down and actually go into the... Okay, I can do that, I can do that. That looks good, that looks good. Except for if I fall into that piece of wood. But I won't, I'll be careful. Okay, so I run in, grab that, and then yappity-doo all over thing to the other building. I know what I'm doing. Can I that jump? I'm not gonna try it. Okay, this is where gaming occurs. Quick save here. Okay, let's go. There's music. Foos! I could have went through the window. Kind of stupid. I got this. Okay, now where's the dumpster? Where's the dumpster? There it is, there it is. Wait, this car actually. There we go, I actually did really well. Boom! So this is the game. It's pretty sick. I think I want to do one more, maybe two? I don't know. I am indeed having fun. Oh wait, new duel. What I get? Oh hell yeah. Now with this... break through metal. That's pretty damn good. Still have nothing with bricks, but just you wait. Don't like how that's the case. I hope I can change the way that that works so I don't have to bubble bop to swap between, but we'll see. Also, upgrades are a thing, right? Yeah, I can look at the tools that I have. Can I even upgrade this? Probably not, right? Because it's a damn hammer. I don't have I don't even have that at, like, yeah, I don't have that for the original 3 items that I got. And I don't have enough money to get more fuel for the blowtorch. But you do get money to upgrade things, which is cool. Next thing, yes, of course. Ooh. If it has anything else, we're back to that thing sorted, sort of. Here's this man, a guy who did the mall thing. Made it too small. Thanks for helping me out with that building. The police were snooping around a bit, but it seems to have cooled off, and now we can finally start construction. I actually have another job for you, see? I bought this new yacht recently. Of course you did. But it's too large for the marina, and the board says there's no space for a new dock. So you want me to just break the damn thing? Okay, sure. Sure. Like it was never there. Oh no, there will definitely be evidence of it being there prior. Okay. Here we go. I'm starting to wake up. Boat. Fuck you! Probably shouldn't break that. I may need to use that. What is my mission? Do a thing, do another thing, and maybe do another thing if I feel like it. Is it just the it's just fire alarm. Oh, no, that'll be good. So, dump saves into the ocean. I could do that. Let me do the optional one first, just because I feel like it. Which, the optio now one is somewhere. Wow, you can really go out that far. Damn. Damn, this place is big. Okay, I should probably just boat over there. Go. Damn, this thing is slow. I can just open that. Where is it? It's in here, am I not? Is it not? Oh no, it's next to it, it's next to it. It's up here, I'm guessing. Yep, here's this big ass thing. Okay, we'll get rid of this door. Too much space. Get rid of the frame, get rid of just the whole wall, really. See, that's what I was saying about there still being a hell of a lot of evidence. You can just break it to the floor. Boom. Damn, that would have hurt like hell. Guess I can just, like, oh, this thing sucks to carry. Can I even bring it? Oh, this is gonna be awful to drag along. Hold on, I can, like, lift it up, right, and just, yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. Come on. Hold on, is it gonna work? Going to work. The game will let it work. Eventually. This is probably the most tedious way of doing this. But I do not care, for it is the way I have chosen to. Hold on. Hold on. I'm very good at this, clearly. This is so damn tedious. Okay, hold on. Bro, lift it. Yeah. This is, I'm grabbing it by the middle. Hold on. You actually have to grab it by the part you want to pick up like that. Oh, okay. I don't even want to know how that happened. Well, lift it. Lift it. And this is almost as bad as actually carrying something this heavy. Bro! I know I could have done this better too, that's the thing. I mean, that's why this one was optional. Because it kind of sucks. But I want to do it, so I'm gonna do it. Okay. There we go. See, I turned it around. Now, just lift it up. Just lift it up. Motherfucker. Lift it. Lift it. Yes. Yes. Now fall in the damn water. Don't. What? I'm not even gonna question it. It's gonna be 5 minutes of me pushing saves. Hold on. So, there we go. I did something. Okay. Bro. Break it until it works. Hold on. Going on back. Oh no, stop turning. Ooh. Oh, oof. Okay. The thing in here I gotta get. It's a top floor? Is there even a top floor in this building? There is. Yoink. there's stuff to pick up. You do it. Where's the safe? This room? This room. This one. Oh, more shit to steal. But not the main objective. Am I stupid? Yes, it's over there. Okay. Okay. Alright. I got this. Hey, is this one smaller? Or I think it's just... Oh, no, it's just different shape. Unless... Yeah, no it is. It's not as tall. Okay, hold on. Oh, this thing sucks. Hold on. Lift it. Okay. Making progress. Break everything! Okay. Now I should be able to actually move the safe. I'm gonna try and push it off the building with me and see how far that'll have it go. Come on, lift it, lift it, lift it. Whatever. Go! Go! It went. Lift it. Yeet. That's how you make it move. Pick it up and then you whoosh. Hold on, go up, go up. There we go. Hey! About to drop it. Boom! Okay, now the last objective is where? It's all the way over there, and you have to break the cabin. Just drop the whole damn thing in the water. Sure I can do that. Let me just run over there, because finding things to borrow. 90, damn. Is that how much was in it? Well, I guess not all of it was in it. It was the actual thing itself is worth money, but there's no way it's worth more than like paintings and shit. I don't know, maybe it could be. Maybe they're just shitty paintings. Where am I going? Where am I going? Oh wait. Hold on. Cool? It's fine. That's fine. Yeah, I'm so good at this. Yup. Hold on, just drive up it. Okay. Okay, maybe not. It's fine. I know what I'm doing. Totally, 100%. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Alright. Time for me to drive this thing into this thing. Ooh! Hold on. Let me just bring it out. Then circle around. Hold on. It'll work. Just wait, just wait. 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 Okay. Going in! Going in! Ooh! Well, that definitely works. There's bits of building on the boat, but it's fine. There's also bits of boat that are no longer on it. Hell yeah. It's still too tall. It's all wood and stuff anyway, so it doesn't really make too big of a difference. Is that attached to... It is. Oh! No, it ain't. done? Are you kidding? Yeah. Didn't he say something about there not being about he said ta-da like it was never there? Yeah, hold on. I'm very certain you can tell that it was there. Why can't I get up this? Hold on. Yeah, I think you can tell there was something there before. Where's the exit? How do I leave? Oh, okay, I'm right next to it. Let me just turn around. Hold on. Let me go the long way. As you do. Yeah. Should I do one more? This part of the game is slow, because it's just starting out. There's nothing real crazy. Where the hell am I? Thought I could drop through the roof. I guess not. Hold on, I'm playing Maverick. Yeah. This is the worst way to do this, but it's a way to do it. Could have just went in through the door and it would have been faster. Oh, it's held onto the wall still. Hold on. I'm very bad with the blowtorch, as we now see. Yeah! Oh, okay. So this is how you break this. With a shotgun. Of course, you have to be... How close do you be? Okay, to break a lot, you gotta be like... Here. No. Here. Either way, you gotta be close, and I'm out of ammo. What we got here? Alright. Alright, so cars and shit, right? What can I do with the tools? Have 230. Can I up the what can I do with the yes! I'll do that in a bit. Wait, is it the same price each time? Alright, because I have more fuel for the blowtorch. Still no ammo for the shotgun. Oh wait, it refilled my blowtorch. Sick. Okay. So we want the thing to be done with these damn cars, yeah? Already forgotten what it was. Must be looking at what's the mission here? Okay. Just drive them. But does this have alarms and shit? I mean, I said I wanted to do a faster paced one, but... Yeah, wired alarm boxes. Oh, man. You know what? I think this is a good part to leave it off. Bit of a cliffhanger for this mission that's gonna be hard. I guess you can see... Oh, damn. I don't think... Well, it's the same map, right? It's just... Is it? Yeah. Yeah, it's the same map, of course. It's just a different objective, and... There's still wood fragments left. Yeah. But I think I'll do this next time. This game is awesome. Next time might actually just be later today, I don't know. Later tonight, I guess. This game is rad, and you should play it. Just spend a bit of money. Actually on sale right now, on Xbox anyway. If you want to get it. And I would highly recommend it. It's fun, and it looks great. It's just a cool game.